Good morning. You may remember here I used to have a set of traffic lights. Unfortunately, due to age and weather, they've fallen apart. But that's not why I'm showing you what's left of them. I'm going to show you the controller. This is what I use for the controller. As you can see, it's a Velman kit. If you look for them, this is called a Velman 8 LED running light kit. Let's go through what I'm actually doing with it. That's red. That's red and amber. That's green. That's amber, and that's red. Back to where we started. The clicks you can hear are relays. That's these things sitting above it. I'm only using relays because the kit is only meant to run LEDs. I've wired it so the 4 relays are connected to the LEDs. There goes another one tripped, and another. Then another. It's relatively simple. To say the first 3 LEDs do red, the second one does red and amber, and then the third one does green, and then the fourth one does amber on its own. If you understand relays, it's actually very easy to do. Now I'll show you the actual kit. Here it is. It's officially called the LED running light. Score of difficulty out of 5 is 1. I actually found these quite interesting and very easy to do. I got this one from eBay. It's just over £10 including delivery.